Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong problem on Roblox. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open settings of your smartphone, and then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Roblox like I am doing. Okay, and then you need to go into the storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache and the second is to clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to allow all permissions from here like this. So let me allow all permissions. Okay, once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the Roblox and your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.